Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a Alliant Credit Union credit card account access, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with authorizing your Alliant Credit Union credit card account access, first, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Alliant Credit Union website. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to proceed. If you already have an account, enter your username and password, then click Sign In. If you do not have an account yet, locate the Enroll or Register option on the login page. Click on the Enroll or Register link to begin the sign-up process. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, including your member number and other required details. Create a secure username and password for your new account. Once you've filled in all necessary fields, review the information for accuracy and submit your registration. After successful registration, return to the login page and sign in with your new credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts or Credit Cards section from the main dashboard. Click on the credit card account you wish to authorize access for. Look for an option labeled Account Settings or Manage Access. Select the option to authorize access to your credit card account. You may need to enter verification information, such as a code sent to your email or phone. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the authorization process. After authorization is successful, you will receive a confirmation message. Your Alliant Credit Union credit card account is now accessible as needed. Feel free to log in at any time to manage your account efficiently. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Alliant Credit Union customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.